we are spending one night in the forest, and we're gonna try to camp out here and see if we can do it. And there's a plane. So this is everyone. We got Angel.
Yo.
You gotta show yourself. Oh. Angel here, and then we have Ivan. You've met him before.
No, he didn't.
Well, he kind of pushed me off into the lake. So.
Yeah, I did.
No, that's not me.
I swear to God,
that's not me. That's not me, dude.
Wait, what's the?
We're cool now, though.
We're cool now. Alright. So our first challenge is we have to set this tent up. Alright, so you guys got this? I'll be back in an hour.
Alright, yeah, we got you.
I wish us luck. And this is gonna be upright.
No, we're not doing that.
It just goes like this and then boom. What up, guys? It just magically just changed weather and shit. It's nighttime already.
What are you doing? So yeah, so we'll basically tell them what happened.
Alright, so we don't have any experience in this, except him, but I think we're missing some tools. But yeah, we're gonna have to manage.
I either grab this bag without checking anything. So yeah, you just use like sticks. You use sticks. But there's no sticks.
Yeah, so we're gonna tie this in there and just throw it over that tree. Hopefully that works.
All right.
Just a little roof over our head.
Sing me a song.
Well, about what?
About us,
around
yeah.
The campfire.
Let's dance around the campfire and sing the campfire song. Oh, sing it in the fire. I don't know. Ah, son of a bitch. Fuck this.
Hi. We're camping in this campfire.
Cool, so there's two right here.
We're camping.
Yeah, I wanna go inside right from the
because we're
skills.
dumb idiots. It's really raining here. That's why I'm singing this song.
So we weren't prepared at all. And so here you go. You know, I'll just show you, alright?
I'm so confused. What are you gonna do?
I wasn't in a Boy Scout, but I really wanted to be in it. You guys can play my dad. Wait. And, you want a line? No, I don't want a line. No, you see that? That's what he has to do. He's gonna put it up and it's gonna support.
So it's gonna be heavy, so it should be easier.
It should be that if he swings it over, he's gonna tie through the loop and then he's gonna tie it, and that's how it's gonna support the tent.
Gonna be up.
That knot is gonna be what's supporting the tent.
Jesus Christ, I know.
Like I said, I wanted to be on the Boy Scouts, but I'm Mexican and my dad wanted me to do farm work. Pass me
I hate that problem.
So we have about
Nothing.
nothing. Dude, this is really short.
Ivan, go.
This is really short, bro. This is really alright. No, it's cool.
See if you can swing it.
There's no way you're gonna toss it up there.
Spot. Yeet.
Oh, what the heck?
This is a fucking brilliant idea, Josh. Who said let's go camping?
Where's the entrance?
Alright, alright, take off your shoes when John come in here.
Oh shit, hold on a sec. Can you go in? See if it'll work first before we even go in.
I'll lift it up.
Alright, yo, those are 10.
Alright, Ben, go over there and put it over there. I'll hold it up for you.
What the heck is going on?
Ah, my sword stabbed me.
I'm so done.
Alright.
Corner spot.
That's the corner spot, ain't it?
Aren't you gonna put it in the middle?
Oh fuck it, put it in the middle.
The middle?
Yeah,
Yeah, the middle. Because they have to put everything.
because it stops right here. Oh yeah, it stops right here.
They're literally putting my tripod inside so I can have a stable, so it can stand up.
Why is it dirty in here, Josh?
I don't know.
This is our tent, guys.
This is our tent. Let's get it.
What the fuck kind of thing?
Okay, bro, let's make do what we have.
You can just use that.
Hey, Ivan, I'm ready to get married.
Bro, dude, just lift up the thing. Awesome, man.
Fuck it, bro. Come on.
Is our tent? Alright, let's go on in, buddies. Our food, bro, that was only 2. We're gonna starve.
Oh, fuck,
It
man.
cracked. It cracked in the bag. All over the chair. Ew. Finally got the tent set up and everything. Let's show you a tour. This is everything. So we had a lot of difficulties trying to set up the tent. But let me show you a tour.
You ran out of rope.
Oh. Okay. Welcome. Come on in, buddy. Oh.
Watch out with the phone, my boy.
Okay.
Okay, let me just take off these shoes.
Come on in.
Nice and cozy in here.
Yeah, let's close this tent because I don't
Start
like
showing
bugs.
everything. Yeah, let's close it up.
Right there, Ivan. This one?
This is about everything. This is our whole tent.
Yeah.
This is everything.
Yeah, close this bitch. Oh, I'm so sorry. Officially tented, boys.
Yeah.
Fucking hot in this tent already, dude. It's so long. Shitty ass tent, dude. Fucking Josh out here. Brought him out here to smoke and
Josh's
not
idea,
doing
man.
shit, bro. Fuck Josh, dude. Fuck that nigga. If I see that nigga, I'm gonna beat his ass.
Bro, I'm right next to you. What are you talking about?
Cards Against Humanity.
All right. Yeah, I wanna. I don't know how to play.
Basically, the person with no cards wins.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. All right.
Okay, here's mine. Okay, read it out loud.
So give me all your cards.
Shuffle it.
Yeah, and then. Okay. Old MacDonald had the KKK. E-I-E-I-O. All right. The other one is. Old MacDonald had a. Old MacDonald had a dick pics. E-I-E-I-O.
God damn, right.
Oh my God. Old MacDonald had a Mexican. E-I-E-I-O.
Holy shit.
All right, those are good. I like.
You gotta vote for the best one.
I like the Mexican.
All right, bet.
I like the
That's
Mexican.
racist because you're Mexican, huh? You are. The dick pic one.
It's been over 4.5 hours now. They went to go take a leak. Brilliant fucking idea Josh had to come out here. It's fucking raining. And we heard thunder and I heard I heard somebody screaming. Man, I'm gonna shit on Josh's pillow if I go to his house, man. I'm just gonna shit on his pillow.
That's nice. Heard that?
Rain.
No way.
That's rain. That's lightning building up.
Oh shit.
I don't have an umbrella. This doesn't have the tarp.
Well, we gotta fucking go.
We're gonna get fucking hot out here in this fucking tent. I think Josh went to go hear a sound and Angel went to go help him. And I switched off with him. I'm fucking in this tent by myself. Heard some screaming too. I don't know where that shit was coming from. But it's all good. I'm just straight chilling. Got the bong right here. Got straight chilling. Hope they're back though. Thought I heard a noise.
Josh, time to sing a song.
We're camping, we fucking suck at camping.
Yes, we do.
Fucking suck
Make a hook,
at
make a hook.
everything in life. We should fucking kill ourselves. Yes, we should. We're camping in this shitty ass campfire and sing a campfire song.
this is our first, real.
Who's singing?
All right, man.
We're camping and I'm getting hungry, so we're gonna start eating.
Rest in peace, the eggs.
Oh yeah, so we brought eggs.
One crack so far, Ivan.
Yes, sorry, Ivan, you're not gonna be eating tonight.
Awesome.
Su madre.
Let's get going. I'm scared. It's pitch dark. Look at the pitch darkness.
Shit.
It's pitch dark. You can't even see anything.
It's really scary out here.
I'm just scared that.
What is that?
Guys, relax.
You hear something?
What is that?
Oh, the little thing?
Nah.
Don't say that.
What?
Dude, what the fuck is that?
What?
You guys don't hear that? Dude, you guys don't hear that?
Tell me, what are you hearing?
This dick. Josh went to go out there to get some wood. I'm in here with Ivan. Right, we just straight chilling. He's gonna start a fire, so hopefully we can just start it right here. Hopefully it won't burn us.
Bro,
But how's that?
we already got a fire, dude.
Bro, we already got fire. You already know.
For real.
So what do you think of this whole camping trip, Ivan? Huh? You like it? It was pretty good.
I don't know, dude. I kind of don't like the mosquitoes.
Yeah, the fucking mosquitoes was a big problem.
I don't know where Josh is.
I've been sweating in places where I don't like. I have khakis on.
I don't have to hear that though.
I
don't
you want to see it?
I don't want to see that shit either.
Here, give me your hand real quick.
Don't touch me. Don't touch this palm now.
Oh fuck, man. Man. Hey, Josh. Josh. Yeah, I think he's fucking lost.
What if?
I think he's fucking.
What if this was like that movie Cabin in the Woods and he went in there? He's gone.
Guys, I'm so lost right now. I'm literally like, I went out to go just explore, and I can't find anything right now. I don't know what's gonna happen. I need to find something. I need to find Angel, and I need to find everyone. Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's time to eat, Josh.
I'm so starving. I got eggs because I think that's like the most reasonable thing out here.
So how do we?
Too.
Probably.
So I would say hold that flashlight. Hold the flashlight.
Sorry.
You know, because I think if it's shining, it'll get nice like heat, and then I think your light should be good. You have a lighter. All right, so light it up and cook from the top.
Wait, but wait, is that lighter really gonna do it all?
I think so.
I mean, hold on.
Oh, you got a big one?
Shit.
All right, you got a big one. All right, two
I got
lighters.
big gray here.
All right, 2 lighters.
All right,
Fuck, we got 2 burners now.
fuck it. So we gotta crack that shit.
Okay.
So how are we gonna split it? There's 2 eggs and 3 people.
You really brought 2 eggs out here and just some cinnamon, huh?
I mean,
Yeah, we got some
seasoning.
How the fuck do
Some
we
seasoning on here, you know?
Dude.
Dude, this is hurting my thumb. The heat. All right, no, we're fine. We're fine.
All right,
Awesome,
now let's cook
Alder.
it.
I like my eggs crunchy. I like how you know that, Josh.
You know this what's
Don't
good
you
about
think-
this egg?
Don't you think we should have took out the shell?
No,
that-
it's crunchy.
That adds a flavor?
Yeah, no,
Dude,
crunch.
are you
know how
stupid?
have you ate chips with a sandwich? Ah, fuck. I think that's good.
All right. So who's eating first?
I like mine a little under.
Who's eating it first?
Hey, I'm good with the
This is,
cinnamon right here. I'm good with the cinnamon.
Oh, you need to put the cinnamon inside of it. Sorry.
You wanna put the-
We need some
Ah,
seasoning.
madre.
We need some seasoning.
Add some seasoning on that.
Oh,
Oh, that
That's
looks
definitely-
gourmet shit. Can I show you my cooking skills?
Dude, here you go,
Oh,
man.
man.
I'll film you, man.
Bro. Dude, watch out.
hey, watch out with this shit.
Bro, you don't know my. To the show. Watch. Look at the eggs, bro. These my bro. I can cook. Which?
We're sleeping here, Angel. We're sleeping here, Angel. We're sleeping here.
Fine. The eggs. I don't want the eggs to go to waste. All right. I think they're about done. They're a little mix and matched. You guys want to have a little taste?
All right, go ahead. Eat first, Angel. Saw you. Go ahead first.
With that spoonful.
Go ahead.
You know what? I think because this was Josh's great idea, right? He said, "Let's go camping." Josh. No.
Nope.
You want some, Josh?
All right, let's eat. And we'll, all right, let's just eat. Let's
Wait,
eat.
let's see. Fine.
Got your
We'll split
cinnamon.
everything halfway. Yeah.
You got your cinnamon, you got your protein, you got your salmonella.
Salmonella. This is everything you need. One single disease.
We're ready. All right.
Alright. That looks pretty tasty.
Time to eat, boys.
Let's go.
Time
It's
to eat.
time to feast.
Time to eat. All right.
One time where this boy went into the woods, right? And he went in there alone and he was looking for his mom. And guess what happened? He found his mom.
Son of a bitch.
my God.
He found his mom.
Like, what the fuck? This is it.
That was scary.
There was a story. There was this boy, right? He's pretty tall, alright? His name rhymes with
Sounds like a handsome guy.
Queef, okay? His last name rhymes with Queef, okay? And he really likes, this one singer. It's a girl. And so he went out there to go buy tickets, right? Her name was Vanderval or some shit like that, right? So he went to go buy tickets. He was really happy. And then once he went, they were sold out.
Damn, that's tragic.
It's fucked.
Tragic. One time, there was just 3 kids, right? And 2 Mexican, one was Asian, and he takes a lot of shits, but that's not besides the point. And they went camping, right?
We're Mexicans.
This sounds like they really
Right?
They went camping, right? And the Asian guy just went crazy and he killed the 2 people.
That's a little specific. Alright.
It's kind of coincidence.
Yeah, it kind of happened like 2 minutes ago.
Whoa. Hey, Josh, I didn't come protect the turkey. I knew you wanted to kill me, motherfucker. I knew you wanted to. I brought this fucking knife. All right, we're gonna go to sleep.
Yeah.
We got the covers here. We got everybody here.
Day. I'm over this.
This
All right. Lullaby, lullaby.
beautiful skills, Josh. Beautiful skills.
Lullaby, my sweet Mexicans. Lullaby.
They remind me of a ranch.
Form a crop, or I would deport you back to Mexico.
This is what my boss always sings me.
Lullaby, lullaby.
Josh, are you singing the explicit content one?
Angel, lullaby, lullaby.
Good night, guys.
Wait, who's touching me? I feel something.
Oh, sorry. I thought that was my pants. Sorry.